I thought we got far enough south yesterday that we would get away from the cold, and 35 degrees this morning, so we didn't quite make it. We got a pretty good day in yesterday. We're gonna do that again today. We should be, you know, towards the coast, where we'll get the, it's gonna be warmer, okay, a little further south, a couple more hours further south, then we'll be out of this cold. So where we're headed went down to like 60 last night, or in the 50s maybe, but certainly not 35 degrees. Anyway, we're gonna let the coachman warm up this morning, and let the windshield defrost, and we're gonna get on the way here. We're gonna take a different route than I originally planned today. It's gonna put us east for a bit, and then to the southeast. So that should, actually I think it's gonna be a little bit quicker. It's, you know, we should miss the big city. What is it? Where is it? Charlotte. So we should avoid that, and some of it's still going to be on the interstate, but it should start putting us on some more like secondary roads, which I don't know. There's more to see, I think, on the secondary roads than, you know, just cruising down the interstate all the time. So that's my plan. Seems like a win-win. That's my thoughts at the moment. What are we doing? Getting off, I don't know. I don't know yet. Let's see what the GPS tells me to do here. Exit 73A to Route 421 South.
Take exit 73A, US 421 South toward Yadkinville, Winston-Salem.
Oh, I almost got off on the wrong exit already. It's the next one. Alright, here we go. Exit 73A.
Continue on US 421 South for 28 miles.
Alright. Yeah, this is going to shoot us pretty much directly east. And then I don't know what we're getting on then. It could be another interstate. Like I say, though, at some point we should get off the interstates sooner than what we would going the other way. Another big day, girl? Huh? I guess we're going on Interstate 40 east for a little bit, and then that should put us on
right 2 lanes to take exit 238.
Right, yeah, exit 238, 40 east to Greensboro. So just a little bit further east on 40.
East for 8 miles.
I guess for 8 miles, and then it shoots us to the south. We'll get on, I don't know. We'll see when we get there, I guess. Alright, I wasn't sure about that, but yeah, this drops us off on 74. Interstate I-74 east, which I think for the most part, it actually runs more southeast than just east. Anyway, that's the way we're going.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 196.
Alright. Exit 196, 74 east for a while.
Continue for 95 miles.
Oh, 95 miles. Alright. I guess we'll be on this interstate longer than I thought we would be. But we'll still have another 100 miles roughly to go after that, easily. What the heck? There's still mowing grass down here.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Yeah, we're getting pretty far south now. You can tell the leaves on the trees too still have color. Yeah, back home fall comes a little bit earlier. Our leaves are all brown, and most of them have fallen on the ground. These trees still have lots of leaves, and some areas are still got a lot of color. Alright, we're gonna take our first break here.
Half a mile.
We've been on the road. Oh, I don't know. Been on the road a while. I'm gonna jump ahead. I'm gonna say probably an hour. So we'll just take a quick break, let Bella out. I'll stretch my legs a little bit. Okay, you all done, girl? Alright, there's the coachman up there, around the corner. Might go have a little bit of breakfast. Get back on the road. Yeah, I'd really like to get down to the coast, or close to it. I'd like to get down there today. You okay, Bubba? Wow. Well, this is a little different from the interstate. That is for sure. Double yellow lines, two-way traffic out in the country. We're almost there, actually, to our first destination. Probably gonna lay up short for a few hours and then go visiting late afternoon or early evening. But yeah, they're kind of the back roads of, I don't know, I call them back roads, but certainly secondary roads. Southern South Carolina, near Charleston. I don't know, I always get it mixed up. I was hoping that at one of these intersections we come across an old gas station or something. You know, some old run-down place we just pull in the parking lot for a while. I need to burn a little bit of time. And it would be nice to see I don't care what it is, a park, an old run-down place, abandoned place. Just pull over and hang out for a while. So, I don't know, we just might end up going into town and pulling some retailer's parking lot. But a little too early in the day to go pulling in where we're going. Yeah, these secondary roads, let me see. We still got another 50 miles to go on these 45 and 55 mile an hour roads. It is kind of a you know, definitely a slower pace than you know, on the dang interstates all the time. It's actually a very welcome break. Yeah, we passed a couple of places that like old rundown places, but where's one when you need it or you want it? There goes a load of freshly harvested cotton. Scenic and everything, but honestly got tired of dodging potholes. Too much more of that road might have shaken the old coachman to pieces. This is better, and we're getting closer to the next town, and which is closer to our final destination on this leg of our trip. And look what happened yesterday. This got a new chip in the windshield. Which is okay because I plan on putting new windshields in the coachman once we get out to Arizona, out to the Quartzsite area. There was a company out there, a mobile company that specializes in RV windshields. Now, I called around this summer back in Pennsylvania. A lot of places wouldn't touch it. They don't do many RV windshields in that part of the country, I guess. The one place that did says, well, take some pictures of it, get the numbers off the glass, and send them to us, and call your insurance company and file a claim, and then get back to us. And you know what? That place out in Arizona, out in Court, that mobile place out in Quartzsite, when I got new windshields in the Bounder, I didn't have to do anything. Handed them my information, my insurance card, and that was it. They got the numbers, and the Bounder was a 1990 model. They says, well, they have to come from Phoenix, so they were there the next day, new windshields the next day. They made the phone calls to the insurance company. They handled everything. And next day glass, for an old rig. Now, this is a 1987. I'm sure the glass is available. Some of you notice in the dash cams, yeah, this one windshield's cracked down in the bottom right-hand corner. But yeah, it's going to get new glass here next month, or maybe next month. So in the meantime, I get that new chip. Alright, we're going to get on here a little ways longer. Alright, we did find a parking lot to stop and burn a little bit of time. I went ahead and started dinner. I have the crock pot and the sink here. I have we have about 45 minutes to go yet. This has been going for a while. We took a break, and I put some kielbasa, some hot dogs, and sauerkraut in here. I don't know what I'm gonna have with it, but that's what's for dinner. Bella's back there still taking her nap, and I'm about ready to get going. I'm aiming for about 4:30. That's the time my son's supposed to get home from work, and it'll be dark, but not much after that. So I think it's time. I need to open these shades up to get these curtains drawn back and hit the road, go visit and have some dinner. All right, maybe now we can get on our way. I was just on the phone for a bit, and the minutes are ticking. That's gonna be a close call. Well, 34 minutes, no, 34 miles, 46 minutes. Yeah, and the sun's getting low. It's gonna be dark. We gotta get going. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. She'll wait till I put it in gear, and she'll come running out. Watch this. Okay, there we go. It's in gear. I'll say 3, 2, 1. Running a little half a second late there, girl. All right, we gotta get going. Yeah, especially this time of day. Oh, what is it? 3:52. Especially this time of day when traffic is gonna be a factor. Traffic. Let's get moving. Let's get out of town here. I will say it's pretty smooth sailing since we got out of town. We should be okay, like almost the whole way until the tail end, because we kind of go back into another town just on the edge of it. So alright, so I expect a little bit of traffic once we get there. For now, we are getting there pretty smoothly. Well, I don't know what body of water this is at the moment. Lots of boats though. And I don't know how long you're gonna see this. They have these boats up on it says storage, dry dock. What that's called? Well, we did find us some traffic. Look at that. 15 minutes to go 3.5 miles. We got some red, and then up further some more red. Yeah, it's gonna be just crawling. I don't know. Maybe an accident? I don't know. Wow, what stupid timing. Even though the GPS is still kind of showing it, there was a clock blocking the intersection I guess allowing them to clean things up. He was diverting traffic over out around us, and now it's, I don't know, now we're just going. I don't know, I see lights way up ahead. Maybe there's still some mess going on. Huh. But, you know, that went pretty quick from down to 7 minutes to go 2.2 miles. And everything's off to the side here. Oh, somebody lost that trailer. Somebody was hauling a piece of junk trailer. Wasn't even roadworthy, and lost it. And that's what that was all about. Yeah, now we're down to there's no delay. Now, okay, we've made it down to the Charleston, South Carolina area, and we are going to visit for a couple of days. So we'll be off for a little bit, and then we'll be back to resume our next leg of the trip down to Florida for some more visiting. Then we'll be headed west after that. So thanks for riding along today. We'll be back soon. I'll see you.